Hello and welcome to my third episode of how to become associate Android developer. And if you look at the screen here, today we need to learn about Snackbar. So if you click on Snackbar, it will take you to a little bit outdated material again. So I had to do some research. Yeah, and they actually tell you here depreciated. So instead of reading what was depreciated, what was not, I uh, did some research and I can show you what I've learned. Let's start, and actually I can show you an example. So this snack bar app that we're going to be making, you press first button, uh, message pops up, this is snack bar message. You press second button, um, you have choice of clicking on change color button that does something. And by the way, the difference between Snackbar and Toast is that Toast only shows you message, and Snackbar allows you also to click on the button within the message, and this gonna be like a button, regular button that allows you to do something. And let me show you. So here we have a message, and then button change color. Let me do it again. And when I click on it, it changes color to blue. And then another button here. If I click here, and by the way, this third button that we're going to be making will have option of never disappear. So it will stay like this unless I click on the bottom. It says here next. When I click on it, it will take us to second activity. So let's start with a new Android project. All right. New Android project, empty activity, snack bar app, let's call it like that. Like that. Finish. Will take a while until it actually loads everything. So just wait until okay, the first thing we need to do is actually go to gradle file. Let me move my gradle file right here. It's still loading a little bit, so okay, this one right here. Move this back. Actually, it's not the one. Let's see. Oh, model app right there. Build Gradle. This one, model app. There are two of them, two files. I picked the wrong one. So the one that has dependency in it, usually that many, like 8, 10 dependencies, and we need to add one more. We need to add one more dependency, and let's start type. So let's start right here where implementations are. Let's add another implementation. Implementation, and then we're gonna type com Google Android material It has to be exactly the way I type. Don't make any mistakes. So, and version would be 110. So implementation, com, Google, Android, material, 110. So once you completely type the same way, click sync now. Syncing. Excuse me. Okay, done. Let's go to activity main, and basically let's put 3 buttons there. Let's delete the hello world text message. We don't need, message. We don't need that. So let's put 3 buttons. You could do it any way you want to. So I'm just doing it the simplest way I know. Okay, so first button, let's name it button 1. And let's say, is this one? Okay. So first button will have margin of, let's say, 32. This one will have also 32. And this one will have, okay. Let's, first one, we're gonna button 1, this one button 2, button 3. Actually, you know what? Let me delete all the and just select all of them. The chain, vertical chain. There you go. That's better this way. This way they're gonna be equally. So button 1, we're gonna say text will be simple snack bar. Second one, text will be on click snack bar. And third one will be indefinite. snack bar, because this one will not disappear. It will stay there. All right, so let me just run it, make sure. Make sure everything is fine. Zero errors, that's good. Okay, so we have 3 buttons, that's all I needed. Except I misspelled here in the, I guess E goes here. Right? That's how I spell indefinite. Indefinite. Like this. Okay, so let's add a code for the first one. And the way you do it in main activity, in main activity file class, we're gonna type button 1 to find the first button. So button 1, set on click listener. And so here we can do snack bar, just like with the toast. Make, and then we're gonna type, oh, let's go real quick over here to the code part and given constraint layout. Let's give it ID. Let's say C layout. C layout, like this. So go back here, and we're going to say C layout, where the buttons are. And then we have to type text of the message we want to appear. So just let's say this is snack bar text. And then just like with the toast, we're gonna write snack bar dot and give us option of length, and then dot show. So let's run it. I don't know why my computer is slow right now, I'm sorry. It shouldn't be taking too long. Okay, so let's click on the button. The first one, simple snack bar. And we see message pop up. This is snack bar text. And just like the toast, it disappears, right? This is snack bar text. It disappears. So let's work on button number 2. Go here, space here, and write button 2, set on click listener, Snackbar, make, and here we're gonna write C layout again, comma, message will be Snackbar message. You can put there anything you want. Message, and then comma, Snackbar dot length long. But this time we're gonna put, instead of show, we're gonna put set action. Right there, set action. And here we need to write, you know, the button, I mean the Snackbar will have a button, right? And so we're gonna write there, let's say change color. Later you'll see where it is located. It's on the right side of the Snackbar. Change color. And here we need to open it like on click listener, those curly braces like this. And we have to give the action right here. So we're going to say C layout. We're going to change C layout, set background color, and we're going to write here color dot blue. Alright, so this will turn background into blue. All we need to do is just, after this curly bracket right here, write show. Now if we run it, and click on the second button. Now we can see it's not just the message, but also this button that says change color shows up, right? And they showing up only for a few seconds because that's how it works, right? Toast message and snack bars, they disappear. So let's click here, and it changes the background color to blue, just like we want it right here in this line. Set background color to blue. Now the third button will be different because it will show snack bar indefinitely, so it will not disappear. Let's work on that. Let's say button 3. Once again, set on quick listener, and then it's going to be a little bit more difficult. We have to make a wall of snack bar. So wall snack bar equals snack bar from capital with capital S, make, and once again we're going to see where it is, C layout, comma, text, again, snack bar message, or message, comma, snack bar, comma, and here we're gonna pick, instead of links long and short, we're gonna actually put indefinite. There you go. Then we're gonna say, put it on the next line right here. We're gonna say Snackbar, capital, small, this one right here, the one we just created, this one. Snackbar, set, action, and here we're gonna say text for the button would be next. That's the button that will appear. And then we're gonna open curly braces for the action. What action will happen? Action will happen, we're gonna open another page. So let's create another, let's see, let's go here to, let's just do this. Click on app, file, new, activity, and let's pick empty. Where's the empty activity? Empty activity. And let's just keep it the way it is. Main activity 2. Or, okay, let's second activity. Second activity, finish. So now we have second activity. And what we're going to do inside of the XML file of second activity, we'll just add text that shows that's a second activity. The text view. Align horizontally in parent, align vertically in parent, and we're going to write text will be second activity, so we can see we actually there. Let's make text a little bit bigger. 24. Cool. Now we don't need it. I'm just close it. Second activity. Close it. And so here, once again, this is the third button, and we're gonna do some action within the curly braces right here. And so we're gonna do just like we do with going to another activity, val intent. Okay, that's fine. Equals intent. Val intent. Val intent equals intent, and we need to say this activity right here. And where we're going? We're going to second activity. Oops. Second activity double class Java. So we're going to second activity Java. So the one we created. And then all we need to do is just say start activity, intent that we just created, and Snackbar dismiss. So we'll dismiss once we press in the button. And then the last piece right here after this curly braces, we're gonna put Snackbar show, just like we did. Oh, sorry. Snackbar dismiss goes here, and Snackbar show. Snackbar dot show. Okay, so that's how it is. Let's run it now. I will post this in the comment section, so you don't have to type it in if you don't want to. So you have code for 3 buttons: simple, regular. Button number 2 is the regular one, and then 3 the one that doesn't disappear until we click on it. So let's click on indefinite snackbar, and as you see, snackbar appeared, but it doesn't go away. And that's because of this code right here. Make it some space. Length indefinite, right? So it doesn't go away until I click on it. I click on next, because next is this one I had text. So put next. So click on it, and it takes us 2-second activity. That's it.